As we mark International Women's Day this year, we think in the first instance of the women of Ukraine. They are facing brutal imperialist aggression of a type we had all hoped was confined to the history books. They are facing impossible choices as they try to protect their families, and they are serving heroically in many different roles. I want to particularly honour the female members of the Parliament of Ukraine who have remained in Kiev and are standing resolutely for the defence of Ukrainian democracy and sovereignty. The needs of women are a priority for this government. We want to break the bias and ensure gender equality in our workplaces and communities. We want our health service to be genuinely responsive to the needs of women. The reality of gender-based violence remains one of the greatest failings of modern societies, and it is one which we must do everything we possibly can to eradicate. I'm also determined that we will significantly improve the range and quality of childcare available in Ireland. As we mark International Women's Day, let us remember the spirit of Constant Markovich and the great generation of women she belonged to. Inspired by their contribution, let us commit ourselves to the idea that this will be the generation where we make a final push towards the inclusive and diverse democracy which they struggled to create.